It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. I'm doing a declutter. Oh my gosh. I'm going to see if I can actually declutter some of the scents in this bin. There's actually a giant mix in here. Check it out. I do like these bins from Michael's or the heavy wooden crates. So what I usually do is I pile my scents in here and then I stack these in the basement. However, I'm getting way too many bins. I also have about 300 or 400 scents in the other room on a shelf that are kind of like my core go-to. So a lot of these are duplicate, and I pretty much know what is a duplicate. So I'm going to go through here and see if there's anything that I can declutter. What I do with my declutter scents is I give them to family members pretty much, and everybody is happy. So there's a whole mix in here of both spring, Christmas, and fall, I think. I'm not even sure what's in here because I didn't look. So we're just going to start digging in. Okay, so first off, Starlit Night. I know there's some faceted in here. I feel like the faceted collection is just getting way out of control. There's a ton of faceted out there. I know I have another one of these that is being gifted off. Confetti Daydream. I think I only have one of these. This is when they did Confetti Daydream in this interesting holographic. So I'm going to keep this one. It's the Fresh Raspberry Sparkling Pear and Blue Skies. This is a good scent that we haven't seen recently. I don't think we brought this back. Was it confetti something else? I can't remember. I'm going to keep that one though. So that's in my keep pile. Next up, Denim and Daisies. Remember Denim and Daisies? This came back in the other packaging. I'm pretty sure there were two Denim and Daisies. This was not a bad scent. Sweet Daisy, Sun-Soaked Denim, and Summer Citrus. I'm going to keep this one, though, because I love the packaging so much. I was actually going to gift this one, but I'm going to keep it. I'm not doing too good, am I? Next up, Sparkling Plum Prosecco. This is the one I was talking about earlier. Yesterday I was talking about this, because this one was part of that really amazing chalkboard collection. No scent notes on here. This was a good one. I really like the scent. I'm going to keep that. Okay, that's in the keep pile. Oh my gosh, you guys. Pastel Skies in the Ombre collection. I don't think I have another one of these. I'm going to keep it because I like the bottle. Man, I stink, you guys. I'm not decluttering. Oh, Fresh Cut Lilacs. I know I have at least 3 of those. Okay, I'm going to declutter that one. 2 for 2. Snowflakes and Cashmere in the faceted. I know I have dupes of that. Okay, we're going to declutter that one. I'm getting better. Oh, Lakeside Citrus. Declutter. I got more Lakeside Citrus. Golden Hour Coast. I did not love this one from last year. This was the Sun-Kissed Bergamot, Golden Pear, and Radiant Woods. These are scents that pretty much there and gone. You'll probably never see this one again. I think I have another one of these, and even if I don't really care, so I am going to declutter that one. Forever Red in the faceted. Forever Red is an amazing scent. This is the Fiery Pomegranate, Red Peony, Rich Vanilla Rum, and Oakwood. I like this one a lot. And I don't know, it just smells like rich and amazing. I'm actually going to keep that. I think I have more, but I'm going to keep it just in case. Oh, Sugared Cranberry Cider. Remember this one? This matches my shirt today. They need to bring this one back. I don't feel like we've had a good cider fragrance in a while, and this is the only one I have of those. So that's definitely a keeper. Sweater Weather. Is this the other Sweater Weather? Suncrisp Apple, Autumn Leaves, Orchard Wood. Now this is the fall one. I have a lot of Sweater Weather. We're going to get rid of that one. This is the other Confetti Daydream. This is the one in the purple. That's a total declutter. I'm actually going to start stacking my declutters in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pack these up when I'm done and give them to, I'm going to give my mother-in-law some and my sister-in-law. Winterberry Wonder is coming back. I love this packaging though. I'm kind of thinking I can't part with the packaging. I'm keeping it. Okay, next up, Golden, Clementine, and Amber. This was a different one. Juicy, Citrus, Sparkling Pomegranate, and Warm Amber. Remember these were the Thanksgiving scents from last year? I wonder if we're going to get a Thanksgiving line this year. Oh, I like this one, actually. I'm keeping this one. That's a keeper. Let's see. Autumn Violets. Oh my gosh, I did not like that scent at all. Okay, we're gonna get rid of that one. Oh, Strawberry Pound Cake. I keep all my Strawberry Pound Cake. Can't get rid of that. Frosted Coconut Snowball. I would be shocked if this did not come back this year. I'm gonna gift that one off because I have a lot of that. Oh, Snowy Peachberry. You guys know how much I dislike this scent. It is Snow-Kissed Cranberries, Frosted Peach Blossom, and Shimmering Woods. I don't know why. This is like a total no for me. I do not like peaches. Oh, no. We're going to get rid of that one. Bye. I love coconut cream pie. I know I have like about 5 of these. So we're going to get rid of that one. Look at me. I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm getting rid of 11. I'm proud of myself. Champagne Toast. I'll gift that off. You gotta leave room for more is what I always say. I do try to declutter my stuff a lot. You know, if you have the storage space and it makes you happy, keep collecting. I just tend to do this because I have so many scents coming in. I just feel the need to declutter. Oh, Winter Candy Apple. I'm actually going to keep this just for comparison's sake. I love Winter Candy Apple right now. And I don't know why. It's like really exciting. The original Vanilla Mocha Cafe. I gotta keep this just for the packaging. That one is gorgeous. I feel like I have something on my face. What is it? It better not be a spider. I actually walked through this morning like a spider web when I was leaving my house, and I'm like, ah! It was like real life Halloween. Iced Pear Margarita. I swear this is Poolside Cabana. I'm gonna keep this though. I swear this is Poolside Cabana. That's a good one though. Let's see. Oh, Mad About You. I have a lot of Mad About You. I'm going to get that one. Let's see. Oh, Snowflakes and Cashmere. I think I have a couple of these. That's going to go. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin and the Faceted. I got to keep that. That's a keeper. Oh my gosh. Vanilla Bean Noel. I think I might just keep this for a little while. Why does it smell good right now? Oh my gosh. Vanilla Bean No Smell. I'm smelling it and I'm liking it. I love Vanilla Bean Noel. It's going to be gone in like a second, but I'm actually going to keep that one. Oh, Pink Velvet Cupcake. We have not seen this one in a really long time. This is actually a good one, Pink Velvet Cupcake. We had it in the Faceted. I think I have a Faceted one, but I'm going to keep that. Oh, Sweet Whiskey. I didn't know that was in here. I'm so happy. Okay, that's a keeper. Fruity Sherbet Scoop. New from summer. Pull this one out. Rainbow Sherbet Zesty Orange Sunkissed Strawberry. This is a good one for right now. I'm going to keep that. Oh, another Frosted Coconut Snowball. I can gift that one off. Fresh Gingham Fresh. I know I have like more than one of these. I'm actually going to gift that one off. Definitely gift that one. Oh, my Watermelon Blast. Oh. I got to keep this. I got a lot of these, but I can't part with my Pink Watermelon Blast. It smells so good. Disco Daydream. Oh, Greg, do I keep it? Do I give it away? I don't like the scent. I think I have more than one of these. Kelly Days, Wild Vanilla, and Radiant Coconut. What do you think, Greg? Should I keep it? I think I'm going to gift it and hope I have another one in the other room. I love the disco. I do not love the scent. I'm going to put that in the giveaway. Ruby, Apple, and Rosewood. I can't part with this because I love the packaging. I don't know. That one's a keeper. A Firecracker Pop. I have at least 3 or 4 of these, I think. I'm going to give that. I know who would really like that. Sensual Amber. You know what? I love this packaging so much. Where's the lid? I don't have the lid. I think I'm going to keep that. Okay, I have to start putting my keepers in here because I'm not doing too well here. Oh, Pink Suede. I didn't love this one. What do I do with Pink Suede? I'm going to give away Pink Suede. I'm just doing it. I got to declutter. Sparkling Orange Spritz. I got to keep this one. That one is really good. Toasted praline and pear. I only have one of these left. I'm glad I'm looking through here. You know, I had these all organized by season, and then, oh, this smells just like graham crackers. You know what happened? And I gotta do, a reorganization. So usually what I try and do is I have one for winter, spring, summer, and fall, but through the year, I'm always grabbing things out and putting them in, and sometimes I don't pay attention. So my goal now, after I declutter, is going to be, I want to take 4 bins, and I really want to sort everything by season. I'm going to do that hopefully this weekend. Autumn Drive. I don't love this one, but I'm not going to part with it. I'm going to keep Autumn Drive in my fall collection. Frosted Snow Blossom. This is one that usually comes out at Christmas. It's not bad. It just is like here and there. What else do I have in here? Oh, Crisp Morning Air. This is the one that I used to mix with pumpkin cupcake, I think. I gotta keep this one. That one is actually pretty. Sugar Plum Swirl. I do all these Christmas scents. That's a keep. Magic in the Air. I think I have another one, but I'm not sure. I'm going to keep that one. I'm doing terrible, you guys. Oh, another Sweater Weather in the gray. I didn't like that one in the gray. I'm going to get that one off. Blueberry Sugar Pancakes. I'm actually burning blueberry maple pancakes right now. I'm going to review that in a couple minutes. Oh, this is so sugary and nice. I love this one. Okay, that's a keeper. Oh, my Sunset Glow. I was looking for this. I was totally looking for this. Oh, I gotta keep this like up here. I was like dying for Sunset Glow the other day and I couldn't find it. Poolside Cabana. I'm gonna keep that. Vanilla Mocha Martini. I can't get rid of that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Black Raspberry Vanilla and Groovy Watermelon. Another Greg Brady scent. I'm going to keep those. Okay, I also have a couple of these neutrals in here. I have the Mahogany and Coconut. I have the Vanilla and Palo Santo. Is this the one I liked? I can't remember. I think I like this one. And then I also have the Dark Amber and Oud. I like the Coffee and Whiskey one now. Oh, gross. Oh my gosh. Dark Amber and Oud is not for me. Oh my gosh. So let me put these back in here on the keeper side. And then what I'm going to do, this has actually really helped me a lot because now I know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get some boxes. I'm going to pack up the stuff. So I got rid of 6, 12, 18, 20 cents. That's actually good storage space. You know, I've reclaimed 20 cents. That is not a bad thing. And then what I'm going to do, like I said, at some point, and I really need to do this because this is really getting my OCD here. I need, okay, so these 20, okay, I got them all organized. So what I need to do is, again, what I try and do is I try and limit myself because I know things can just get out of control. I like to have, because each one of these bins, these wooden crates, stores about 60 fragrances. So I figure if I have one for fall, Christmas, spring, and summer, the 4 seasons basically, that's going to give me, what, 220 in the crates that I really want to keep. The shelf in my bedroom, I probably have like 350 maybe on there, maybe more. I'm thinking more. I like to keep my fine fragrance mist under 500. That's like the number I've kind of set in my head because it gets out of control. And that number may creep up a little bit because as I get like some of the collectibles that I can't part with, like, where's a good one? Actually, Pink Watermelon Blast. That's a good one. Like, I really like this one. Like, you're not going to wrench this one out of my hands. That's for sure. And, you know, some of the faceted are pretty, but like Golden Clementine and Amber, like, we're never going to see this again. So I feel like this is a good one to put in my collection. So that's what I'm trying to do. Like, I tend to try and get rid of like frosted cranberry, frosted Coconut Snowball, Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple. I will cycle through those because I don't want like an entire bin of Winter Candy Apple. I just can't handle that in my collection. So like I said, what I try and do is just like ease everything out and then keep everything organized. I actually hate it how disorganized I am right now because I really try to keep everything nice and neat. So this has been very helpful to do this with you tonight. So I'm going to take this one downstairs. I'm going to put this in a box. I'm going to reorganize these. And then once I have my reorganizational system done, maybe I'll do a video down there and kind of show you what I did to get everything nice and organized. It's hard now when Bath & Body Works is putting out like 400 cents a year. Seriously. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I did my little declutter. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.